Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comparison that many freelancers and business owners ask about. Fiverr versus OnlineJobs.ph. These two platforms are very different, so choosing the right one can completely change your freelancing journey or your hiring process. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is a global freelancing marketplace where anyone can offer services starting at flexible prices. It's perfect for freelancers who want to work on short-term gigs, creative projects, and on-demand tasks. You create gigs, clients search for what they need, and they hire you instantly. Fiverr is fast, convenient, and full of opportunities because millions of clients browse the site every day. But it's also competitive, and you need strong gig optimization to stand out. On the other hand, OnlineJobs.ph is a platform focused specifically on Filipino talent. Instead of gig-based work, it's more about long-term and often full-time remote jobs. Employers post job openings, and Filipino freelancers apply like a traditional job. It's great for people who want stability, consistent hours, and long-term clients. Many employers on OnlineJobs.ph look for virtual assistants, customer support reps, social media managers, and admin roles. Unlike Fiverr, it's not built around one-off orders. It's built for ongoing working relationships. Now, let's compare the two. If you prefer project-based work, multiple income streams, and the freedom to offer creative or technical services, Fiverr is the better choice. You can scale your gig, raise prices as you grow, and build a portfolio quickly. But if you want stable monthly income, fewer moving parts, and long-term clients who treat you like part of the team, OnlineJobs.ph offers a more traditional work setup. Another big difference is how clients find you. On Fiverr, buyers come to you through search results, so your success depends on ranking, keywords, and reviews. On OnlineJobs.ph, you apply directly to job posts, which gives you more control but also requires effort in sending applications, writing cover letters, and following up. In short, Fiverr is ideal for freelancers who love flexibility and creativity, while OnlineJobs.ph is great for those who prefer steady work and long-term clients. You can even use both, Fiverr for extra income and OnlineJobs.ph for stable monthly earnings. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow freelancers, and subscribe for more guides to help you grow your online career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.